I just received a message that I qualify for Ezoic Premium. I haven't signed up yet. I'm considering it, but I'm going to show you behind the scenes of what you're going to see if you get access to Ezoic and also pricing if it's worth it. So you do have to pay for Ezoic Premium, but you can potentially make a lot more money. So they do have a little video that will explain everything, but the main benefit of Ezoic Premium is you're going to increase your overall site revenues. You're going to make more money because you can get better advertisers. So I do know that Ezoic's revenue, it's kind of, the advertisers are sometimes kind of janky and you've never heard of them. But when you have premium, you can get more name brand advertisers that looks more professional on your website. And I will have a link to Ezoic if you want to sign up for them. But you also get, so you get premium advertisers, improved optimization. So Ezoic is built on big data and advanced machine learning. As a premium publisher, your site's data processing and optimization is prioritized, which results in faster optimization, increased overall revenue performance, and improved user experience metrics, which is amazing. So you get better reporting as well and receive a monthly website review with Ezoic's performance or policy expert. So you're going to get more behind the scenes. So they have pricing plans. So it says you can earn additional $6 to $8 per month. And they have a month to month, which is $5 per month if you pay monthly. And you can earn up to $6 to $8 a month. So basically you're paying for itself and then earning $1 to $3 more. And you get access to premium advertisers, campaign sites, advanced ad reporting, Ezoic Analytics, Niche IQ for tester tags, topic ideas, quality expert review meetings, managed user facility, and Flickety 100 views per month. You also get annual. This is $375 per month if you pay annually, and you can earn up to $96 in revenue. So I'm assuming that's for the year. So this is the same estimated $6 to $8, and this is the access that you get. You also get direct sales page as well, which this is an additional feature. Or they have multi-year. So this you can save up to $75 a year. And this is the same exact metrics that you get. So those are the costs for Ezoic Premium. Why doesn't Ezoic pay more for publishes instead of just premium? It says the additional revenue that you get when you're premium publisher is derived from both premium advertisers and operations. Because they're committed by you either monthly or yearly, this enables Ezoic to invest more resources into finding and activating the best advertisers for your site. And then it says, what happens if my premium earnings are less than my premium cost? This won't happen. Premium adjusts based on the plan threshold to ensure premium continues to deliver within the estimates of your current plan. If you can't deliver within those estimates, it will automatically reduce it to a lower cost plan. Interesting. So this is saying that you honestly can't lose money with premium. So revenue explained. So there is auction type, real-time auction, which is bid $1 CPM, or premium deal, which is bid $50 CPM. And the winner obviously would be the $50. So Ezoic reporting, Ezoic ad partner, and this is just regular person on Ezoic, not premium, would get $1 CPM, and the premium part would be $49 CPM. So they're saying you're going to make a lot more money with this. You also get premium messages, which honestly, this is a huge feature for me of getting to be able to talk to someone directly. If I do need to get a hold of Ezoic, I usually talk to them on Twitter, which can take a lot longer to get. Sometimes it's 24 hours before you get a response. So I like that this is premium messages here. And then we have the FAQ. Will premium plans earn more cost? Yes, all premium plans will earn more additional revenue than the cost. Can a publisher pay for premium user existing ad revenue? Yes. This is amazing. So this is really interesting. Have you signed up for premium, and do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know down below in the comments. What are your thoughts on Ezoic Premium? Click here to check out my other Ezoic videos to learn how to earn more money behind the scenes with your Ezoic analytics.